Did you know that the tallest volcano in our entire solar system is not on Earth but on Mars? Indeed, Mars, the red planet, is home to some truly out-of-this-world features. One of the most awe-inspiring among them is Olympus Mons. Picture this, a volcano that towers over 13 miles high. That's nearly 3 times the height of Mount Everest, our Earth's tallest peak. But Olympus Mons isn't the only marvel on Mars. This fascinating planet is also known for its deep, wide canyons and its polar ice caps made of water and carbon dioxide. And did you know that a Martian day, also called a sol, is just a little longer than an Earth day? It's true. A sol lasts about 24 hours and 39 minutes. So when you look up at the night sky and spot that reddish dot, remember it's a world of wonders. So if you thought Earth had all the records, think again. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to walk on Mars? Imagine a world painted in shades of rust, a place where the ground beneath your feet crunches with the texture of powdered cinnamon. That's Mars, the red planet, and its unique hue owes much to the iron oxide, or, as we commonly know it, rust, that peppers its surface. Mars is an alien landscape, yet familiar in some ways. It's home to the highest mountain and the deepest, longest valley in the solar system. Olympus Mons, the giant shield volcano, stands at nearly 3 times the height of Mount Everest, while Valles Marineris, a system of canyons, stretches across a distance that could easily house the entire United States. But it's not all rocky terrain and towering landforms. Mars also boasts the polar opposites of Arctic-like ice caps composed of water and dry ice. These caps change with the Martian seasons, growing and shrinking in response to temperature variations. Now let's take a closer look at Mars gravity. If you think you're a good jumper on Earth, you'd be a superstar on Mars. The gravity there is just 38% of Earth's. This means that if you can jump 1 meter high on Earth on Mars, you could leap nearly 3 meters. So, if you were on Mars, you could jump 3 times higher than you can on Earth. Mars might not be a breathable planet, but its atmosphere is quite intriguing. Let's dive into what makes the Martian atmosphere so fascinating. Unlike Earth, the atmosphere on Mars is extremely thin. In fact, it's about 100 times less dense than our own. It's primarily made up of carbon dioxide with tiny amounts of nitrogen and argon and even smaller traces of oxygen and water. Now, you might be thinking, well, that doesn't sound very inviting. And you'd be right, but it's these very conditions that create some of the most extreme and fascinating weather phenomena in our solar system. Just imagine the temperature fluctuations on Mars. It can be a mild 20 degrees Celsius at the equator during the day, but at night, the temperature can plummet to a chilly -73 degrees. That's colder than the coldest temperature ever recorded on Earth. But the Martian atmosphere has more to offer than just extreme temperatures. It's also home to the largest dust storms in the solar system. These aren't your typical dust storms. These are planet-wide phenomena that can last for months and cover the entire Martian surface. The dust lifted into the atmosphere can even block out the sun completely, turning day into night. Imagine seeing a dust storm that covers the entire planet. Only on Mars can you witness such a spectacular phenomenon. The million-dollar question, is there life on Mars? What a captivating conundrum. For centuries we've been looking to the stars and wondering, is there anyone else out there? The planet Mars, with its striking red hue and surface features reminiscent of Earth, has been at the heart of this cosmic curiosity. The search for life on Mars is a thrilling saga of exploration and discovery. It's not about finding little green men or towering Martians, but about uncovering signs of ancient microbial life. Think of it like a cosmic archaeology dig, sifting through the sands of time on a planetary scale. Our robotic explorers, the Mars rovers, have played a crucial role in this quest. These intrepid machines, including the famed Curiosity and Perseverance rovers, have been our eyes and hands on the Martian surface. They've analyzed soil samples, studied rock formations, and sent back invaluable data, all in the hopes of finding that one clue, that one piece of evidence, that life once existed on Mars. And then there's water. Water is the elixir of life as we know it. So the recent discovery of liquid water beneath the Martian surface has sent ripples of excitement through the scientific community. It's a tantalizing hint that Mars could have once supported life. While we haven't found Martians yet, the quest for life on Mars is far from over. So, how does all this information about Mars affect you? Well, it's fascinating, isn't it? To think that this red dot we see in the night sky could be humanity's next frontier. This is where it gets really exciting. Humans are planning to visit Mars. Yes, you heard it right. We're not just talking about rovers or satellites anymore. We're talking about actual people setting foot on the Martian surface. Space agencies around the world, and even private companies, are all gearing up for this grand adventure. They're designing spacecrafts, planning missions, and even figuring out how we could live there. This isn't just a dream, it's a goal for the near future. Imagine this, a human colony on Mars. It sounds like science fiction, but many believe it could become a reality within our lifetimes. Scientists and engineers are exploring the concept of Mars colonization. They're studying how we could grow food, find water, and create a livable environment on Mars. It's a challenge, no doubt. Mars is a harsh, unforgiving place. But it's also a world of untapped potential. It could be a new home for humanity, a place where we can learn, grow, and continue our journey among the stars. Who knows, one of you watching might be the first human to step foot on Mars. And there you have it, a quick trip to the fascinating Red Planet. We've touched on Mars's surface, atmosphere, and the ongoing quest to find life. We've even explored the thrilling possibility of humans one day calling Mars home. If this cosmic journey sparked your curiosity, show your support with a thumbs up, share this video with fellow space enthusiasts, and smash that notification icon. Stay tuned as we continue our voyage, exploring the rest of the planets in our solar system, including the dwarf planet Pluto.